What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects. I think they have somewhat potential, low supply, fairly new, and one of them is actually very hyped. And as usual, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into NFT projects or into any cryptocurrency projects. So the first project that I found, free mint, it's called 𝕭�㑔𝖓𝖘𝖆🎑. So it's a low supply 333. It's going to be free mint. Mint date is soon, so we don't know exactly when. Most likely it's going to be in January or February. Not sure yet. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're not getting a whole lot of engagement, but at the same time, since this is such an early project, maybe it's a good thing because you can get a whitelist spot pretty easy. Just follow them on Twitter, engage with their tweets, retweet, something like that, and hopefully you can get yourself one whitelist spot. And like for example, this right here was posted on December 14. If you tag 2 friends, drop your Ethereum address, you can get a whitelist spot. And it was 10 free mints giveaway, and as you can see, total 42 people replied, so 1 out of 4 actually got a whitelist spot for this project. So this is the one I'm keeping my eye on. And the second one is called Pufferfish, and at the time of recording this video they have 15,000 followers on Twitter. They have Discord, no website. I don't know if there is going to be one or not. And then if we scroll down, and as you can see, they're also doing some Twitter giveaways. And then if we scroll down more, another Twitter giveaway. It's getting decent engagement on their Twitter post, plus they're collabing with the different alpha groups as well, like Dre, and then this one right here, Rainbow Alpha, and many other ones. So this is another one. Don't really know a whole lot about this project. It looks like a bunch of NFT groups are giving away whitelist spot. So this is another one, free mint. I'm just gonna keep my eye on. I'll try to get a whitelist spot, and then I'm gonna see how it's gonna do on the market. And the last project is called Free JoJo. I think this project is very hyped. They have a website. At the time of recording this video, they have almost 30,000 followers. And if we scroll down, as you can see, this tweet was posted 3 hours ago, basically saying Free JoJo, and then art author. And as you can see, is this person right here. You can follow them on their Instagram and see exactly who they are. And then as you can see, they're getting really good engagement on their Twitter posts. Like for example, this one was posted on December 20th, and they already have almost 10,000 likes and almost 9,000 retweets. And if we look at the analytics that Twitter just started showing recently, views almost 100,000 this post was viewed. And then if we scroll down, similar to other ones as well. So, and then plus a lot of bigger NFT influencers talking about this project, such as 𝕭𝖘𝖘𝖊𝖒 and some other ones. So I think this project has a decent potential. At least try to get a whitelist spot as you can, either maybe by joining some NFT alpha groups or see who's doing on Twitter giveaway for this free JoJo NFT. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.